welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm out.
Hey.
Lie down. Sit down. Lie down. Lie down.
A mukbang, but I'm not going like this.
We saw this lady at the park. Sit down. And she had a border collie. It was half
I'm just
brown,
gonna put them in
and the
place.
rest of it was white. What was it?
Yeah.
And we were talking to her, and guess what the dog's name was? His name was Coconut.
Who?
Coconut.
Coconut.
Yep.
It's rappers.
We were talking to it, and it doesn't like when people touch its facial or grab it in
Couple
its
of
mouth
men.
or later. And we were talking to her about her dog, and she was, yeah, it's like she doesn't like when people touch it. It's like her territory. And I was like, we've got a dog at home, and his name is Easy, and he doesn't like going out of those territory.
I got them
She
in.
was like, oh, is he
No,
like
no,
a
I'm not.
Bengal desert dog? And I was like, I think he's just a desert dog.
He is a desert dog. Cookies, can I have one of those lobbies?
This one?
Is it nice? They're
Like
nice.
his mint.
Are they mint?
Yeah. Oh, they're real bad, Poppy. They're not real bad.
Oh no.
No? Okay. They're real
My
mint.
puppy wanted it, and he said no. I'm gonna eat it. One, 199.
Poppy, do you know what a boil is?
What?
Boil.
Yep.
I have one on my leg.
Let's put this in here.
No, it's just a pimple. Oh, look
It's
at
just
this.
an ingrown here.
Wait, no.
Can you see?
Look at my YouTube channel.
Can you see the boil?
Oh yeah.
See that, and there should be. Oh, and that one.
It's a boil.
And it's just that one was using that they suggested. Then it's ready there. So then, that one, the bench is ready there. We did. We went to the hospital and they told us how to do all of it. And we did it. Oh boy.
No, see, years ago when I was a kid, it was about that big.
That's how mine usually go. And then they closed that really
All we did was pop it, cut the top of it,
My stepdad tried to pop mine and I started crying and I was like, I don't want you to.
and what we did was we got, on the coconut, the strand on the coconut,
Yeah.
we got that and put it on there and just rolled it up and all the meat stuff out of it.
Yeah.
So wash your hands, There's it. Put it there.
Doing a
I
mukbang.
think these will scare you.
Doing a mukbang. Go
Do
ahead.
Yeah.
I don't think I like these.
What do you want?
No,
Yeah.
I don't like these. This thing.
Give that,
These socks.
no, that,
Bye-bye.
makes up things about.
Anyways.
I nicknamed
Oh my god, why do I
this
always
spot.
drop it?
Oh yeah, you told
dropped
me
some
that.
ice cream on the
Feel
floor.
inside.
I mean, on the floor, like.
That's so disgusting.
Yeah.
And now you let him stay inside.
Yes, I said.
You used to call him that sometimes, or honey buns.
Yeah, cool.
Like
Hey,
stuck in my
honey, this
teeth.
spot.
These
The
got
way
stuck in my
Manny
teeth.
says
I
honey
like
buns,
it.
it sounds like she's saying Rani.
There you go.
Morning.
Honey buns, Mr. Crispon. Yeah,
I
I
bet Manny didn't like you calling him that.
I was doing great. He's puss over there. Puss over there.
Oh, I remember last time when we went to Midland Day, we left Oscar inside instead of putting him out. We put Diesel outside, Oscar in, and P right here.
What did Nanny do?
And he's got poo on my shirt before.
Oh,
Nanny who left him inside. She's the only one who let him outside.
She tried to blame Diesel.
No.
My dog's house trained me. I told you.
You don't do that stuff. Hey, Diesel. You know.
I'm not a piss pot.
I just did it. It was like this. Oh wait, now it's stuck. Now it fell up. When I do this, it's like
What do you
stuck.
like to call honey
And I
buns?
go like 3
None of us.
No, what do you like to call him?
None of us.
No.
When I
Piss pot. Hey, Mr.
cut
Piss
it.
pot. Because they look at me and I look at him. I was thinking, who did that? I was like, you did it. Get
He just growls.
Then he goes, "Grr." Then I go, "Grr." And then you get outside, and this is out the door, boy.